Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write essay on a visit to a historical place. You can also write this content under the topic paragraph writing on a visit to a historical place or write a diary entry on a visit to a historical place. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. By the way, which historical place you guys visited recently, let us know in the comment section below. Now, let's start with the video. Visiting historical sites enables us to gain some understanding of history and appreciate our rich heritage. This year, I had the privilege of visiting the Taj Mahal, located in Agra. It is one of the wonders of the world. It was a great experience that I will remember for a long time. The Taj Mahal, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, is known for its breathtaking beauty. As I entered the premises, I was drawn in by the large white marble structure that was erect and splendidly carved. The beautiful green gardens, fountains, and a reflecting pool were stunning as well. The guide provided a background about the history and the importance of the monument. The work was completed in approximately 22 years with thousands of workers involved in constructing this masterpiece. I learned about the symmetry, beautiful calligraphy, and detail in the marble inlays that made this marble a once in a lifetime experience. As I walked around the monument, I felt peaceful and admired the skill and labor that went into creating this monument. The landscape was made even better by the nearby Yamuna River, which added to the serene atmosphere. There were also many tourists from around the world taking pictures and also admiring the beauty of the structure. My trip to the Taj Mahal was an educational and pleasing experience. It brought back memories of India's rich past and the need to protect our heritage. Such historic sites narrate tales of love, culture, and devotion that make us feel proud of our past. I hope to make more such visits in the near future.